Hi, we are looking at the USD CAD daily chart, and this is the weekend before the opening of the markets on Monday, 29th of April 2013. Um, Although I have already given a signal from the daily chart, I would like to have a look at the monthly and the weekly chart, and I will explain to you the system I'm using here, which is consisted of the Bollinger Bands, the alligator, the three colored lines, and fractals, these small arrows you see. Alligator and fractals are indicators created by Bill Williams. So I'm using the combination of Bollinger Bands, alligator and fractals, and they give me very strong and valid signals. So let me explain to you first of all how I gave the daily chart signal. We had a valid fractal here, which was a bearish reversal fractal. It was valid because it appeared right on the upper Bollinger Band. For a fractal to be characterized, to be labeled, we need 5 candlesticks, 2 on the right, 2 on the left, and this fractal here appeared only when this candlestick was formed. For it to be considered valid, it has to be above the red line, which is the teeth of alligator, and also we need at the same time, the time when the fractal has been labeled, we need where we are right here at that moment, we need the leading alligator to be curved downwards. If the alligator was not curved downwards, it was looking upwards, and the fractal was signaling bearish reversal, it wouldn't be valid. So for it to be valid for bearish reversal, we have to have it above the alligator's teeth, the red line, and also the leading alligator to curve downwards, like it happened here. Now, we should have ended short here, and this move may last till the lower Bollinger Band, or it may reverse here, but we already lost the biggest part of it. But still, if you want to enter, you can enter short somewhere here, except if the new candlestick starts with a gap that goes even lower than, I don't know if you really have the margin, the profit potential that you should look after. So maybe you should stay out and wait. Okay, ideally, let's say that the move is going to touch the lower Bollinger Band and bounce back from that. So if that happens, which theoretically might happen as things look right now, you can enter short here, place your stop a few pips above the median line of Bollinger Bands, and wait for an opposite valid fractal to be formed for you to exit. But as we see from the bigger time frames, this move is a minor corrective move, and the main trend is upwards, so it's good for us to only take bullish trades, going with the main trend, which is upwards. So let's see how our system gives strong signals on the bigger time frames. We are on the weekly chart here, and we see that the Bollinger Bands, their edges are turned upwards and they are parallel. We had a fractal here. Uh, First of all, let's see this one. This is at the upper Bollinger Band. It is a bearish reversal fractal, but it is not valid because when it was formed, and we were this candlestick, the leading alligator was not curving downwards; it was curving upwards. So uh, we couldn't, or maybe it was curving a bit downwards, so we had this potential for this move. But if it was not curving downwards, then we should ignore this. Now this one is marginally valid because it should be below alligator's teeth. It's a bullish reversal candlestick, and it should be below alligator's teeth, since the leading alligator is clearly bullish. So we assume that it is valid. So if it is valid, and this is confirmed also by the Bollinger Band's outer edges, then we can enter long. Remember, these are weekly candlesticks. We could put our stop a few pips below this fractal, or a few pips below this fractal, so it would be safe. Let's see the monthly chart. The monthly chart shows that the Bollinger Bands are in a contraction phase. This is a consolidation, and price has been moving sideways for a while. And imagine that these candlesticks are monthly candlesticks, so this while is quite a bit of a time span. So what do we have here? We have a contraction of the Bollinger Bands. We should expect a huge breakout. The leading alligator is bullish, is turned upwards, so the breakout has bigger possibilities to be bullish. And we have here a valid fractal, which is below the median line of the Bollinger Bands, the 20 SMA. It is below the red line, the alligator's teeth, and the leading alligator is curved upwards, which signals bullish reversal. So yes, this fractal was formed somewhere here. Yes, we could enter long here and put our stop a few pips below the fractal, or even a few pips below the lower Bollinger Band, and that would be a huge success. We are expecting a huge breakout here, so keep that in mind, and thanks for watching.